day 9. So today, we kind of got a loaded day a little bit. We're headed to Jersey just to like handle some business. It's a long story, but yeah, that's where we're going this morning. And then while Henry is taking care of what he needs to take care of, Aniya and I are gonna do a tiny little bit of shopping. I want to see if I can find her a birthday dress and then like a birthday, a birthday photo shoot dress. So I told you guys, and it could possibly be the same dress because nobody is gonna see it until her birthday. So I don't know. So we will see. But Mama is down here. Say hi, Mama. I put her hair in 2 ponytails. Say hi, baby. Look at the little bow on her butt, y'all. And then let me show you her outfit. Come here. Come here. It says, oh, you can't really see it. It says Santa baby on it. And then she got the little matching pants and then the little bow on her butt. So it's so cute. Is that funny, Mama? You got 2 ponytails in, Mama. I got this outfit from Target, if you guys are wondering. They might have some more. They might not. I don't know. Night is so crazy. So we're about to get on the road and we'll check in with you guys when we get to Jersey. So we made it to New Jersey. We're about to run into Burlington. We used to live over here, man. We loved this Burlington. If you guys have watched our vlogs from when we lived in New Jersey, we definitely came to this Burlington a couple of times. So I'm just about to see what they have in the baby section and probably run into the home section as well because they got, this is a nice Burlington. Yo, we are supposed to be looking for dresses for Aniya. We couldn't find it.
Really see it.
I can't remember. I want to say I did, but I can't recall. They had something tall.
I don't remember that. I would have remembered that.
You would not remember it, even if you saw it.
I think I'm gonna get this.
So
let's kill 2 birds, 1 stone.
we are like buying toys. They have some really nice toys in here. Yeah, we're like picking up toys for like other kids and stuff. And they have like, oh, I'm so close, but they have like the Melissa and Doug brand. Well, this is not it, but the Melissa and Doug brand is in here. You guys know that's a really nice brand for kids. Like, it's usually a lot of their Montessori toys are by Melissa and Doug, so that's a set. And then they got the fruit set under that. They got all these little things. Baby, does Aniya need a little rocker like this? This is $40. Little unicorns. They got a ton of little unicorns. I don't like how that was sitting in the corner. It's $32? 13. But I'm not trying to decorate her whole party. But oh, look at that unicorn pillow with a bunch of like plush unicorns. Cause what the heck am I gonna do with that stuff after the party's over? Oh, look at this big unicorn though. Y'all, if y'all need Christmas presents still, whether it be for your own kids or other people's kids, definitely come to Burlington. This stuff is so nicely priced. Like this is a little Spider-Man Nerf gun. How much is this? $6. They got these little inflatable things, like all the Avengers things. This little Avengers blow up is $7. Mama, why you laughing? Why you laughing, Mama? Look at this. This is the most authentic, like, fake money I've seen. This little set. Like, if you want to teach kids the value of money, this is only $7. All these, like, little... I can't see how much the pot and pan set is, but I love how it looks realistic with that little copper. Oh, look at this. A little Frozen, Disney Frozen cup. It has lip gloss in it. $5. Alright, this is my last one. I'm just amazed at these prices. Frozen headphones, $15. Oh my god, why didn't y'all tell me that I didn't have on a mask? I just got out of there so fast. Oh my gosh. Henry's still in there checking out. And me and Aniya just left. Mommy, you didn't tell me I didn't have on a mask. So today I wanted to do something really, really special. It's actually something that I should have done a long time ago. I had planned to do this on like Black Friday or at least by like December the 1st, but I completely forgot to do it. And then this morning I was watching a video while I was waiting for Aniya to wake up. In the video, it was exactly what I wanted to do. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I never did that. Let me go ahead and do it. So what I want to do is like put out like some snacks and some drinks and everything for our like delivery service providers, so like when they're coming here to like drop off all the packages that we have been getting from ordering so much during the holiday season, they can like take a snack and a drink and be on with their day. And so yeah, I had thought about this a few months ago, and I like put it on my to-do list to do for Christmas, but like I said, I totally forgot. And I just think it's really a really nice thing to do. They are, I mean, and I know from experience from working at Amazon, you know, so does Henry. And so it's just like, they just work so hard, and sometimes they work 10 and 12-hour days. If they do take lunch, it could possibly just be in their truck, or they only have like a quick, what, 30 minutes, possibly an hour, probably not even an hour, to go, you know, like grab something to eat and then get right back on the road to, you know, dropping off people's packages. So it's like not even Amazon, but it's like UPS and FedEx and USPS, Laser Ship, all of them, they're all working just like really, really hard. So like, yeah, even if our neighbors like don't have anything out, I think it kind of just speaks for our whole little street. So it's just like, thank you for delivering our packages to our street or whatever. So I just thought that was really exciting. So we actually just came from Target. I got all this stuff, and I want to show you guys what I got. So first things first, I got some waters, okay? Waters for them if they want water. I got a bunch of these little Dunkin' Donuts iced coffees, because I know I'm a coffee person, and like sometimes they don't got time to stop for their coffee. So I got these, and these were actually on sale, so I got a few of those. I also got a few of these big Gatorades, because like, I'm telling you, y'all, they be running. You know how it is. They like be running, grabbing the stuff out of their daggone truck, dropping it off on your doorstep. And sometimes they need some like electrolytes to replenish them. So I got them a few Gatorades. Oh, I also got some Red Bull in case people wanted Red Bull as well. And then I got this variety pack of cookies. It's a set of Chips Ahoy cookies, some Nutter Butters, and some Oreos. So I got that. And then I got this variety pack of chips. It has like regular plain chips, some Doritos, some Cool Ranch Doritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, and Fritos. So they'll have all of this to choose from. And I'm about to show you guys how I'm gonna set it up. So I decided, I mean, this might be a little ratchet, but who cares? I decided to put them in these little containers that I used for Thanksgiving, because I didn't want to buy baskets especially for this, because then after the season is over, it's like, what am I going to do with those random baskets? So I put it in these things, and then that way it kind of sits up a little high a little bit as well. And then I just lined it with some tissue paper, some red tissue paper. And now I'm just going to arrange this nicely so that, again, when they walk up, they can see what we got and they can take what they want. And yeah, so let me set this up really quick. All right, so here are all of the snacks. Like I showed you guys, just all of the snacks that we got. And then I'm about to put the drinks in this. Actually, I'm probably going to take this outside and arrange the drinks, because it's probably going to be too heavy for me to carry from the kitchen to the doorstep. Like, this one is going to be light. So, all right, so I made this little note. My handwriting is not the best that I'm going to put. It says, to our delivery providers, thank you for your hard work. Please help yourself and Merry Christmas. So I'll leave this somewhere on the step or somewhere around so they know that they can take some. But yeah, let's go ahead and head outside. All right, y'all, so here's what it looks like. I wasn't able to record me putting the drinks up because there wasn't anywhere for me to like prop the camera up. But yeah, so got the iced coffee and the Red Bull, the Gatorade, and some waters, and I'll replenish it, you know, as it needs replenishing, or if it needs replenishing. And then I just attach the sign right here. So hopefully I mean, I think they'll definitely like it, but hopefully people actually like take stuff. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, I just thought this was a really nice gesture. I'm definitely going to be on Santa's nice list this year. But yeah, I just thought it was something nice to do. And I challenge you guys, if you can do the same, go ahead and do it, because you know, sometimes the holidays are tough for people, and just like the smallest little gesture will really brighten somebody's day. And actually those Dunkin' Donuts drinks, they were 40% off on Target Circle. So I got those for like $1. So and the Gatorades, they were $1, or they were like 89 cents or something like that. So yeah, I think it was like a nice little creative little thing to do. So yeah, if you guys do it, make sure you tag us on Instagram so we can repost. But I think I am going to catch you guys in a bit. I don't know what I'm about to get into, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in a sec.
Oh, thank you. Oh, man. Hit the spot. Thank you. Oh, man. That's nice of him. I like that. That's cool. Thank you.